when it comes to things such as furniture or even just things you might want to purchase, which is to buy secondhand and specifically through Facebook Marketplace. Although you can find things secondhand at thrift stores, I feel like nowadays thrift stores are getting a little pricey versus if you opt to try Facebook Marketplace or even OfferUp. A lot of people are selling things that are almost brand new that they just don't want anymore for like 50% off or even more, depending on how urgent it is for them to get rid of that item. So most of my furniture, I want to say like 90% of my furniture is used furniture, and most of it I found on Facebook Marketplace. So the only thing about that is that you would need some way to transport the furniture, either by phoning a friend that might have a truck or even renting a truck for like the day. But I think when you consider how many hundreds of dollars you're saving, I think it's worth renting a truck to get it. A few examples: when I moved about a year ago and I was looking for new furniture, I was able to get a pretty good condition couch that retailed for like probably $600 new, and I was able to get it for like 125 or around that. I was able to get a coffee table for about 25 bucks, nightstand for 25 bucks, a lamp for like $5. Like, there's a lot of things you can get for relatively cheap just because people are trying to get rid of it. And what I suggest is, instead of going for the price that they're trying to sell it at, message them to see if they're willing to go down a few $100 or just even like $5 or $10. Most people will agree or meet you like halfway. So something to definitely consider if you're looking for new furniture, if you're just moving out, if you need certain things, I would definitely consider used. I know there are some things that aren't really hygienic, things such as like rugs or things that are made of fabric, but you can always get those clean, or you can always, check before you end up purchasing it. I haven't had an issue, and as I said, most of my furniture is secondhand, and I have had zero issues with any of the things. So I definitely 100% recommend going that route if you're trying to buy new furniture. But yeah, so that's basically all my tips. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.